How to start a new game in Horror Tale 3. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely start a new game. First of all, open the application. So I'm in my home page. Here, you'll be able to see the option called Continue and New Game. Now, in order to have a new game, simply tap on New Game and now simply tap on No. Here, you can change the difficulty to, so you can choose the difficulty that you want to play in and simply tap on Play. So the game has started now. So a completely new game and a new setup is all ready. So you can play the game and it will even show you the backstory and you'll be able to play the game according to your word. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.